Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. In my previous video, we have seen how percentage of total pricing works. At that time, we have seen POT product as a standalone product. Today, we are going to see how POT products pricing can be determined when it is being used as a bundle option. So this was the agenda that we discussed in my last video, like what's percentage of total pricing, where is it used, how to set up those stuff. We have seen two use cases and then we have seen the demo, right? So these are the same things that we discussed last time, so I'm not going into it. And these are the fields for setup. Last time we didn't talk about percentage of total scope field that we are going to see today. These were a couple of use cases, I guess, those we discussed in my previous video. The first use case, here's the second use case, and now we are coming for the third use case in which we'll talk about the POT product as a bundle option. So consider a situation, a company is selling a package, right, at some price. The package contains few options with their own prices. The package also contains another product which is a POT product, percentage of total product, and the POT product is being priced as some percentage of package as well as option. Now let's review it. How can that be set up? So before going to anything, I would like to go to the percentage of total bundle product, which is a bundle product. It does have including percent of total checkbox check, and it has three options. First is option 1, second is option 2, and there is a product called percentage of total product. On option 1, we can see like including percent of total is checked. On option 2 again, including percent of total is checked. And when we go to percentage of total product, we can see exclude from percent of total is checked. It's a subscription product or recurring product. That's why we have seen or we have selected subscription pricing field. Rather, if it was standalone, we could do this one, or if it is a one-time product, we could do this one. Percentage of total percent, we are setting it to 25%, so it will be taking 25% of the contributing product spread. We have set percent of total base to list as of now, so it will take data from list price only. This can be set to net price as well, right, using net as a package value. And we have defined as those as an option. So now what we'll do is we'll go over here, we'll simply add that bundle product to cart, and it will open up the configuration page as we have bundle structure created for that. POT product is being set as a default, so it's coming default selected, and now we're gonna select this all options and we'll move forward to cart page where we can see our product's pricing is coming as 92.50, which is 25% of all those stuff. Okay, so this is a simple way that we have seen in my previous video as well, right? Then how we can make it, and we can have more scenarios around those, right? So let's say this is the simple structure or this is a simple pricing that we come up in our scenario, but there can be a possibility where the price of this particular option will only come from these options, like this related option. So how that can be set up, let's verify that. So to do so, we have to go to the product option where our percent of total product is being set as optional SKU. So I'll go over there and I'll make it as a component and I'll save it. I'll come over here and refresh the page. I'll click add more product. We'll again go and configure the same bundle. I'll select both the products, click save and move to cart. And now we can see is the price is being calculated and it has the percentage 25% of this options price. Let's say if it is 150 plus 120 to 270, and if we do 25% of that, it will be 67.50, which is coming over here. So that was the second part, right? The first that we saw, like it is taking prices of all of them. Now it's taking prices of option only, but there might be a case when we want to have percent price based on the bundle package price only. So in that case, what we can do is we can again go to that option and we can make it to package instead of component, and we'll save it and we'll refresh the page. We'll go to catalog, select the percent of total bundle and configure the options. Select the options and I'll save it. So now as you can see, it is having price as 25, which is 25% of 100, and it's not summing up this price and providing the percentage based on that. And that is all because of the field available on the product option, which is percent of total scope. Now consider a case that we have seen the first time, right? So the price needs to come from product bundle and product options, right? So we can set it to both or we can set it to none to get that behavior. Right now I'm setting it to both, and we'll refresh the page again. I'll go to add product, we'll check this checkbox, reconfigure the bundle and save it, and we'll have the separate price, which is 92.50, which is 25% of the total of this product, right? The bundle as well as the components. So this way a POT product can be configured as the bundle option and the prices can be derived from. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and once again thank you very much.